Hello everyone, this is Pranita here. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn Pathshala. So now we are going to know about the lesson 3 Visions for India from Standard 8 English textbook. So I don't know whether I will justify with this lesson or not, because मैं ऐसे महान व्यक्ति के विचार रख रही हूँ कि उनके बारे में बोलने के लिए वर्ड्स आर वेरी लेस, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी पूरी जो ज़िंदगी है वो देश के प्रोग्रेस के लिए दे दी। मरते दम तक वो देश के बारे में सोच रहे थे। एंड ही टॉट अस मोरल वैल्यूज बाय सिंपल लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग. सो लेट्स सी द लेसन. सो द लेसन 3 Visions for India has taken as an extract from the inaugural speech that was delivered by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam एट द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. सो वहाँ पे उन्होंने स्पीच दिया था इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, और उस स्पीच से ही ये लेसन लिया गया है. सो हम लेसन के बारे में अभी आगे देखते हैं. सो डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 15th October 1931 रामेश्वरम, तमिलनाडु, इंडिया. ही वॉज डाइड ऑन 27th July 2015 शिलोंग, मेघालय, इंडिया. फुल नेम अवल पाकिर जैनुद्दीन अब्दुल कलाम. एजुकेशन Madras Institute of Technology, Anna Universities, St. Joseph College, University of Madras. Profession aerospace scientist, author. Important position in government held President of India, and notable work is Wings of Fire, India 2020, Ignite Minds, and so on. Awards Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration, and so on. So I'm not able to explain through awards, profession, education how great he was. I will recommend you to go and watch Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's biography of Gulzar Saab. I'll give you a link in the description box. जब मैंने ये बायोग्राफी देखी सुनी, then I felt like cry. ऐसे लगा कितनी रो. And we are just nothing in front of him. How he became a scientist from newspaper boy, then missile man, then president of India. So a lot to learn from him, and he was like inspiration for all of us, for our youth, and really these are the real heroes of India. So let's see the lesson. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the father of India's integrated guided missile program. So under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the project of IGMTP proved to be successful. IGMTP, India's integrated guided missile program, proved to be successful by producing missiles like first Prithvi missile in 1988, then the Agni missile in 1989, and due to this contribution he was known as Missile Man of India. So I heard कि जब उन्होंने अग्नि मिसाइल को लॉन्च किया तो he gone through so much adversities, but ऐसा ही तो कोई किसी को अचीवमेंट नहीं मिलती, कोई प्रोग्रेस नहीं कर लेता. So through his achievements and his progress, he stated 3 visions for India. So ये 3 visions को हम follow करेंगे, then India become developed India in the future. So let's see about the lesson. So Dr. Kalam's 3 visions for India are freedom, development, and standing up. 3 visions means 3 dreams. These are the 3 dreams of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So freedom means azadi, development means vikas, and standing up means stand, पूरी तरह से सक्षम तरीके से देश को खड़ा करना. The focus of his presentation is on developing India to its fullest potential. So developing, देश का विकास करना to its fullest potential, to its fullest ability, to fullest capacity, देश को सक्षम बनाना. While standing up to the rest of the world with full validated self-respect for the achievements that have been obtained in the modern times. So validated means confirmed with the proof. एक मान्य प्रूफ हमारे पास होना चाहिए. So because of that we'll get a self-respect from the world. हमको self respect मिलेगा because we have confirmed proof for our achievements, जो हमने achievements किए हैं. So हमारे पास उसके proof है. So इसके लिए हमें क्या मिलेगा? We'll get a self respect from other countries. Just take one example. Suppose our India get vaccine of corona. So what will happen? This is our achievement. So obviously because of this self-respect of India will increase. We become strong in the world and will talk with our achievements. हम अपने achievements से बात करेंगे. So obviously in modern times this is requirement that we should progress. There should be achievements in our country and we'll talk with our achievements. So let's see next. Freedom. First vision of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If we are not free, no one will respect us. अगर हम फ्री नहीं होंगे, हम आज़ाद नहीं होंगे, तो हमें कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देगा. I have 3 visions for India. In 3000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and invaded us, captured our land and conquered our minds. 3000 years of our history, 3000 सालों की हिस्ट्री ले लो. People from the world, they came to our country. They invaded, they attacked on us. उन्होंने हमारे देश के ऊपर आक्रमण किया. Then they captured our land, हमारे लैंड को जीता. Conquered our minds, हमारे माइंड के ऊपर भी वो जीत गए. From Alexander's onwards, the Greek, the Portuguese, the British, the French, the Dutch, all of them came and looted us and took over what was ours. They came and looted us. They steal our goods from our country. जो अपनी संपत्ति थी, जो ट्रेजर था, वो चुरा के लेके गए. Took over what was ours, जो हमारा था. Yet we have not done this to any other nation. We never did. Our country never attacked, never done first attack on other country, never ruled any country. हमने किसी देश के ऊपर राज्य भी नहीं किया है. We have not conquered anyone. We never used by any force or any armed force to conquer their lands. We have not grabbed their land, their culture, their history, nor tried to force our way of life on them. So we never grabbed their land. हमने उनके grab नहीं किए, land को नहीं लिया, हथियार नहीं लिया. Their culture, their history, no, never. And we never forced our lifestyle on them. As we see, so many other countries, so many other people came to our India. So we can see their culture also in our country. But we never forced our way of life on them. हमने कभी अपनी जिंदगी उनके ऊपर थोपी नहीं. Why? Because we respect the freedom of others. We respect, हम आदर करते हैं the freedom of others. Because हमने वो सहा है, तो हम दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, दूसरे की फ्रीडम की हम क्या करते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. That is why my first vision for India is freedom. See, first vision, पहला खाब, that is दृष्टि, freedom. I believe that India had its first vision of freedom in 1857 when we started the War of Independence. So, as we all learnt in 1857 revolt in history textbook, बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपनी जान दे दी है, तब जाके हमें आज़ादी मिली है. भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, तात्या टोपे, मंगल पांडे, बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं. Then we got a freedom. So it is this freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on. So इस freedom को हमको protect करना है, nurture, we have to develop them and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Again he is repeating, if we are not free, no one will respect us. Still we are in cage. We are obsessed with the other countries. We are not thinking about progress of our country. So, if we are not free, no one will respect us. हमें पहले फ्री होना है और देश के बारे में सोचना है, तभी हमें रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा. This is the first vision of APJ Abdul Kalam. That is freedom. My second vision, what is the second vision? That is development, Vikas. For 50 years, we have been a developing nation. So what is meaning of developing nation? Just go on Google and search the definition of developing countries. What will come? A poor agricultural country that is seeking become more advanced economically and socially. So first word is a poor agricultural country. जो पुअर कंट्री है वो कोशिश कर रही है एडवांस होने का इकोनॉमिकली एंड सोशली. it is time to see ourselves as a developed nation. So already 50 years we have been developing in nation. We developing means विकसनशील देश. तो दिस इज द टाइम, अभी वक्त आ गया टू सी अवर सेल्फ एज अ डेवलप्ड नेशन. हमें डेवलप्ड नेशन बनना है. सो व्हाट इज डेवलप्ड नेशन? एन इंडस्ट्रियलाइज्ड कंट्री, एडवांस इंडस्ट्रीज, एडवांस सर्विस सेक्टर, देन हैज मैच्योर्ड एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड इकोनॉमी उनकी है. देयर इनकम लेवल इज हाई, देयर जीडीपी इज हाई. So that is a developed nation, and this is time to see ourselves as a developed India. So we have to say bye bye developing country and hello developed India. तो हमें developed India को hello करना है. तो कैसे होगा ये? कैसे possible होगा? Now your work is that just go and search first 5 developed nation in terms of GDP, gross domestic product. So we are among the top 5 nations of the world in terms of gross domestic product. So what is gross domestic product? The total value of all goods and services produced domestically in a country during the year. So whatever domestically जो खुद इंडिया में जो प्रोड्यूस होता है goods and service, कुल देशी उत्पादन है, उसे हम कहते हैं GDP. So we have 10% growth rate in most areas. So we can see, हमें एक आशा की किरण दिखाई दे रही है कि हर सेक्टर में there is 10% growth rate. So it is possible that we become a developed India. ये possible है. See the positive things, don't see negative things. Most of the time we are only observing negative things. But in corona days, GDP is going down of our country. But we have to see the past years also, and we have to keep on working. हमें वो बढ़ाना है. But possible को कब होगा? All goods and services produced domestically in our country. Goods and services produced in our country, so then this is possible. So let's see next. So we completed the first part of the lesson, and if you understand the lesson and you want to know the next part of the lesson, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.